Welcome to the Specialty Learning Apple iMovie on iPad series. With Apple iMovie, you can enhance your students' storytelling skills and creativity in ELA. With a lesson where students choose a favorite book or create their own short story, then students will use iMovie to retell the story using images, narration, and music. Students can document and analyze scientific experiments. After conducting a science experiment, students can record their observations and results with their iPad. Then they can use iMovie to create a video presentation explaining the experiment process, results, and the scientific principles involved. Apple iMovie can be used to reinforce math concepts and problem-solving skills. Students can use iMovie to create a video tutorial explaining how to solve a challenging math problem step by step. Students can bring historical events to life through iMovie reenactments. Students can select a historical event, research it, and then create a short historical reenactment using iMovie. They can use costumes, props, and narration to immerse themselves in the past. In physical education, students can design and film a fitness routine or challenge. They can demonstrate various exercises and create an iMovie video that explains how to complete the routine. Apple iMovie can be used to showcase students' artistic creations and explain their creative process. Students can create a digital portfolio of their artwork using iMovie. They can capture images or videos of their artwork and discuss their creative process, inspiration, and techniques. Students can be immersed in a world language and encourage language practice. Students can create a short story or a topic or scenario in the target language using iMovie. They can use visuals, voiceovers, and text to narrate the story. Students can engage in music appreciation and storytelling through iMovie. Students can select a piece of instrumental music that evokes a specific mood or emotion. Then they will create an iMovie video that tells a story or conveys a particular feeling using only visuals and music. This activity encourages students to explore the emotional power of music and develop their visual storytelling skills while connecting music to storytelling. These iMovie enhanced lessons not only engage students, but also develop their digital storytelling, communication, and presentation skills across various subjects.